What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are reviewing a 2019 GMC Yukon SLT. So first, let me give you guys a 360 view of the car. I see some nice headlights, running board, beautiful taillights, Yukon logo right there. So first, let's start off on the front of the car. On the front of the car, we have the big GMC logo right in the middle. And then behind that over here is a brushed aluminum grille, really beautiful. And then we have the really beautiful headlights. And then it's GMC logo in the headlight housing right there. And then we drop down to the fog lights with some chrome outlines right there. And then we have also some parking sensors here on the front of the car. So now let's move on to the side of the car. So on the side of the car, we have 18-inch wheels, and they are super small, but the driving, when we were taking it for a test drive, it was super, the drive was super clean, it was super smooth. And then we have the Yukon badge over here, it's chrome. And then the molding, chrome also going through the front and the back door. And then here we have the door handle, which I have the key in my pocket right now. It's right over here. And then when I want to lock it, and then when I want to unlock it, just like that. And then we move to this mirror over here. And then the mirror is the same color as the car, but the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier that I reviewed, the top was chrome, but this is just full the color of the car. And then the mirror has a turn signal on it and a blind spot monitor also on it, and they're power folding. And we also have some chrome under the window over here, all through to the back window. And then we have a SLT badge right over there, and then the window over here so the people in all the way back can see out. And then now let's move on to the back of the car. On the back of the car, we have beautiful taillights, and I like how it's 1 and then 2, the design of the headlights. And then we have the GMC logo right over there, brake light right up there, LED. And then we have the washer over here. You can barely see it, it's stuck right up there. And then we have the Yukon badge right over there, parking sensors, again on the back. And then guys, up here we have the window. You can open from the key. Oh, I can't reach it. Oh, there we go. Oh guys, and there are so many ways to open the trunk, just like the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. So the first way is from the key, and I have the key right over here. Lock, unlock, remote starter, open the window up here that I just opened, and the tailgate. So when you want to open the window, 2 times. And then when you want to open the tailgate, and then let's close it. And then when I show you guys all show you guys all the ways that you can open the trunk, we'll go to the, go in the back and see like how much space of storage you have back there. And then the second way is to open it from the handle over here. Just pull it up. There's like a button down there. And then when you want to close it, a button right there. And then the third way is probably the coolest way. So look, there's a sensor over here. And when I move my foot down here, there we go. And then when I want to close it, actually I'm not going to close it. We're going to talk about here. It's super small. And then here you have the buttons to open the seats. So first I'm going to open the seats, the third row. So pops down, and then when you want to open the middle seats, just simple, really simple. Hold it down, hold the other button down, and then when you want to open it so the people in the back can get out, 2 times, and hold it. 2 times and hold it. Just like that. And then when you do that, you can't open it anymore, guys. See? There's no button up here. But I can open these back ones, so. Boom. And boom. So now let's go and see what we have under the hood. So when I want to close the trunk, button right over there. Let's wait for it to close and then we can go and see what we have under the hood. So let me open the doors. I have the key in my pocket. Let's see how we're gonna open the hood. No, there we go. And then you don't have to hold the hood, it just opens for you. So under the hood, we have a 5.3 liter V8 engine, OHV engine that produces 355 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. This car weighs around 6,000 pounds. And MPGs are 14 in the city, 24 on the highway. 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds. As you guys can see. These are just plastic cover-ups. It would look super cool when those weren't there. You have my handprint right there. So now I'm gonna close the hood and we're gonna go and see what we have in the interior of the car. So I'll just go to the side and close it like that. So let's go over here. We have a running board right there. I'm just gonna open them. So on the door panel here, we have the memory seats, adjustable memory seats. And then you have your button over here, which you hold, and the mirrors fold. Hi. And then when you want to close it, just hold it again. And you don't have to do that. You can also move it from here like this. Let me. Oh, the car's not started. I'm just gonna, when I start the car, I'll show you how to do that. And then you have the button here so your kids can't open the window, the door, and they can't open the window. And then we have the Boss sound system in this car, super loud. GMC logo right over there. So let me sit inside. We have the buttons. You can control the lights. And then the buttons for auto 4x4 system. And then the brightness over here of the gauges right over there. And then over here we have the traction control, parking sensors, lane departure, and the pedals over here, which you can. Let me show you this here. Look. It's super cool. So if in this car you can do that. So let me start the car. And let's hear the sound of the car if it's loud or not. Let's see. Oh yeah, and the windows are automatic, so if I wanna open it for you, close it for you. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. It's actually pretty loud for this car. I didn't imagine it would be this loud. And then over here we have the gauges. And then the RPM is not digital, speedometer is not, but the middle part over here is digital. And then we have some more gauges up there. So, and then you have so many features that you can show over here. And then on the left side of the steering wheel controls the collision alert. And then the traction, what is it called? Auto cruise control, and then the heated steering wheel. See, it's on. I don't want it right now on. And then here we have the hands-free link. And then when I put it in reverse, backup camera, put it back in park. And then the screen over here, guys, it shows the temperature, the time. Wait, let's go back to the menu, just from here. Settings, projection, which you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, text, OnStar, and apps. You can move here to My GMC. And then guys, this screen here opens up. You can hide something from your wife. 12 volt. Oh no, close it. Just like that. You can change the radio from here. Radio button right there. Media, and the screen that you can control. And this button, what does this even do? I don't know. Oh yeah, it brings up the menu. And then let's go back. Back, I just pressed that. It takes me back. Menu, and then you can just turn off the audio. Volume muted. And then here we have the AC controls. Let's put it on low. AC. Oh wait. And then you can blow in the front. And then all the AC controls over there. And then you have heated and ventilated seats, driver and the passenger. Rear climate. And the people in the back have heated seats. I'll show that to you guys when we go back there, how to control the seats back there and the climate back there. And then over here we have the 12 volt. Two 12 volts right there, and some storage over here, 2 cup holders, and then this is not actually a wireless charger. You can just rest your phone over there when you're going on a trip. And then some storage over here, 2 more 12 volts, aux jack. Let's close that. It's actually super big, and the seats are actually really comfortable too, as you guys can see. And then the handle over here is brushed aluminum, and then up here we have the lights. So if I press on, just like that, let's close that. And then guys, this button over here is like you can move it. When you want to open the trunk, it says max 3/4 and off. So if it's on max, the trunk will open all the way 3/4. It will open like half, and off, it just won't open. See? Power lift gate switch off. Thank you. Let's just put it on max. And over here you have the lights, and then your and when you turn on this light, it's actually super bright. And then over here you have your OnStar, SOS, and again OnStar. And then over here you have a speaker, so when you're talking to somebody, like in the car and your phone is connected, there is a speaker, so when you talk, it goes through there. Hello. And then we have some lights over here, so if you want to put your makeup on while you're driving. So now, I'm going to turn off the car and we're going to go to the back of the car and see how much space we have. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot to close this. Start the car. Turn it off. So let's close this door over here. Let's go to the back. SLT logo. So guys, on the door panel, you have this wood trim, and then like, I don't even know, is this like a cup holder? And then you have, this is definitely a cup holder over here. The audio system, Bosch audio system, you can control your window. And then the door handle, and then we have another cup holder. So that's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't even know why you would need 5 cups to go somewhere. And then the seat. Just like that. Let's sit back here. And the space is actually pretty good back here. It's really comfortable, the seats. Heated seats. And then the climate control back here. And then you have 110 volt. Another 12 volt. And then here you have some storage. And then let's close this seat also. So just like that. Wait, what? Why is it stuck? Oh, I don't know why it's that stuck. So let's just close the seat over here, and then we can go to the back and see how much space I have. Just like that. So back here, the space is actually super small. Like even a 2-year-old can fit in this middle seat. I wouldn't recommend putting someone there. Just like the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe Premier. And then you have the button to get out. Just like that. From there also, cup holder. You can put your book over here. And then back here, I like how the Chevrolet, all the GM cars have like, it blows from the top, the AC. And 2 cup holders on the other side, 12 volt. So now, I'm gonna press this button to get out. We're gonna end the video there. You just get out. So please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Smash that like button and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss another one of my videos.